Now, all of the headlines surrounding World Liberty Financial are that Trump is making money. Trump's family is making money. I mean, if you read these, go ahead. It says Trump family profits from launch of World Liberty Financial token. New crypto token boosts Trump family's wealth by $5 billion. Trump linked World Liberty World Crypto. This is 4 weeks ago. Nobody cares about that one. Trump's World Liberty token falls in the first day of trading. Guys, it's not just Trump and his family that made money. Literally every single person who bought during the ICO is up roughly 20x on their money. Some of them up about 4x on their money, depending on what stage of the ICO you bought in. Every single person is profitable. Now we're going to talk a little bit about that because yes, the price is coming down today, sitting at 21.9 cents at the moment. It is available to trade. If you guys would like to buy this dip right here, I'll talk a little bit more about that. But we're going to be going over a buyback program that is going to be rewarding longer term holders. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, World Liberty Financial is proposing a buyback program for long-term holders while World Liberty Financial tumbles after its launch. I'm going to go into the details in this, but let's just set the stage right now, right? This looks like a bad price action. 30 cents down to 22 cents. Everybody's talking about how Trump is the only one that made any money on this. Guys, every single pre-sale buyer made a lot of money. The pre-sale prices, I believe, were between 1.5 to 5 cents per coin, per token. And of course, it's trading at 22 cents per token right now. So depending on when they got in, they are making money. Now, I did not take any chances on the ICO, but I did buy into World Liberty Financial after its launch between 26 cents and I believe 22 cents. And I will continue adding. I believe that these guys are going to be running a successful business. I believe that these guys are going to be running successful DeFi protocols. And I believe that World Liberty Financial is going to grow as the overall bull market booms and rages on. As a matter of fact, guys, if you come out to cryptocurrency prices today, you can see that things are looking very good. We're back up above a level of neutrality, and 53 out of 100 for altcoin season. So altcoin season is here. Prices are green. And of course, we got to go to the normal cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin up above 112,000. Ethereum 44.70. You've got Solana at $212. Things are looking very good at the moment, and it's not just for World Liberty Financial. So with that, let's take a look at this longer-term buyback program. It says World Liberty Financial proposed a program to allocate all fees from protocol-owned liquidity into purchasing and burning World Liberty Financial tokens. Now, World Liberty Financial's native token started trading on crypto exchanges Monday, where it fell 34% momentarily after its debut. The World Liberty Financial team has put forward a proposal to allocate all fees generated from its protocol-owned liquidity towards purchasing and permanently burning World Liberty Financial tokens. This program removes tokens from circulation held by participants not committed to World Liberty Financial's long-term growth and direction, effectively increasing relative weight for committed long-term holders, the proposal said. The plan stipulates that fees collected from World Liberty Financial's liquidity positions on Ethereum, Binance smart chain, and Solana will be used to repurchase WLFI tokens on the open market. These tokens would then be sent to the burn address, removing them from circulation. So guys, yes, you can trade, right? But some of the fees associated with it are going to be helping longer term holders. If you're not new to crypto, this is not a new policy to you. It is, of course, something that World Liberty Financial token holders are going to be voting on, and whether or not they vote yes or whether or not they vote no, we shall soon find out. But this would decrease the supply and therefore increase the scarcity and theoretically increase the value for those committed to holding longer term. So I'm actually excited that I can continue to buy into World Liberty Financial and stack up for the long term. If you guys are interested, you got a link down in the description below for the KSEX exchange. And you know what? I just saw an email from Kucoin. I still get emails from Kucoin. Even though you can't use them in the United States, excellent exchange, and they've got some new incentives coming along, not only for World Liberty Financial holders where you can buy and sell and use robots to trade World Liberty Financial, but they've also got some new things that are coming down the pipeline that a lot of exchanges don't have. So make sure to check out all of the links down there, and do not forget, right? Diversification into the higher risk, higher reward plays, for me at least, is very important. If you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Bitcoin Hyper, you've got a link for it down in the description below. These guys are building a layer 2 blockchain, one of the fastest layer 2 blockchains ever for Bitcoin. Now, if you're interested, you can click that link down in the description, read everything that they've got on their website here, and it's a very easy process if you do end up wanting to grab some. But how their layer 2 is going to work is you're going to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper, and then the layer 2 networks is going to transact with near instant finality. Then, utilizing zero knowledge proofs, it sends that info back to the Bitcoin blockchain where it's validated. And finally, when you're ready to withdraw, all you do is initiate that request, and of course your tokens are sent back to your Bitcoin layer 1 wallet. If you want to read a little bit more, they've got everything that you would need to know, including frequently asked questions at the bottom of their page there. And do not forget, they've got an X account with like 14,400 followers on it. Excellent impressions in engagement and so on. 80,000 views on this pinned post alone. So Bitcoin Hyper doing a very good job, all at a time when fear and greed is rising, all at a time when altcoin season is here, all at a time when we could be seeing the biggest bull market rally ever. So make sure to check it all down there in the description. Let me know what you guys think of it, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.